Hey traders, okay, it's 3 p.m. What a day. Incredible morning here. Uh, I did uh, I did get stopped out pretty fast right here, but when that happens, I just kind of pause, take a look at it, and then I look at my what other my other daily levels are, and wait for the next major bounce area. And I did get back in and around the sixth level and made it back up. And then what a move. We went almost 50 points. And then it went back down. So this could be a double bottom here, while at the same time we have the overnight. So I'm not gonna put too much on that right now. Going back to the daily, everyone's looking at these same things too. So here's that upper trend line from August touching on January. The thing about these trend lines is like, if you drew it from here to here to here, then it fails here. Or from here to here, from here to here, then it fails there. So a lot of times it'll fail on the third touch, kind of like a basketball bouncing. The first and second bounce are the highest bounce, and then after that, it just doesn't really bounce. So, with that being said, we have February low right here at, or excuse me, yeah, February low right here at 59.38. So it wouldn't surprise me. Again, I talk about rinses, whether they're on the daily, monthly, weekly, 60-minute chart. The stronger the trend, the lower the time frame. The weaker the trend, the higher the time frame. Or the no trend, the higher the time frame. So in this particular circumstance, I'm going to have this 59.17 area, 59.18 area as a bounce level. If I see that there's no shape on a smaller time frame, I'll move that down to like the 58.84 level. If I still see that I don't see that then we're looking at going through the January low, which is down here below the 58.15. And then on a larger time frame, all the way back to 44.53, which is way back. Let's go to a monthly chart. That is back to the October low of 2023. So I have that on there also because let's go back to the daily. This 55.52 is September low. Previous balance is 61.8%, which is a trend trade fib level on that major retracement all the way back to the October low, but it's also right there in a buy zone back to the August low. So if we get some sort of major craziness, the 55.39 level, but I don't think that's going to happen like this week. But because of NVIDIA coming up on Wednesday, and we've had this big down on Friday and kind of a down day today, I am anticipating that if we get a down morning again and our 50% retracement back to the January low from the February high is this 59.84 area. And then let's look at this trend line where everyone else will be looking at tomorrow also. Be right at that 59.70 area, 59.68.50. So let's look at the 59.70 area tomorrow. Write that down, get your pen and paper out or your whiteboard, write that down, mark it on your chart as your rinse bottom for tomorrow. If we start to bounce there and then I think you'll start to see an uptrend again. And with Nvidia earnings and everything, this is where we rinse out all the shorts again, and we go all the way back up to the daily moving average of 60.84 for the short squeeze, because all the short sellers are going to want to be covering after 1, 2, 3, 4 days down. So those are your levels for February 25th. Trade them well.